I'm 680 News senior business editor Mike Eppel. Markets had a big rally today. Some of the benchmarks here in North America are getting close again to all-time record highs. And the catalyst? Well, a lot of it was speculation about trade talks and maybe some talk about lowering interest rates at various central banks around the world. One of the upward trends today was spurred on by a tweet from U.S. President Donald Trump, who says next week he is going to meet with the leadership of China at the G20 summit for extensive talks. And some traders think this could be the breakthrough where they actually make some moves on de-escalating the trade battle between these two trade superpowers. At the same time, we also had the head of the European Central Bank, Mario Draghi, talking today about the possibility that the European Central Bank, which has not yet raised interest rates since the economic crisis of 2008-09, they could actually be looking at cutting interest rates in some cases to below 0% in some countries in an effort to bolster the Eurozone economy, which has seen some struggles recently with very low inflation. Those two catalysts had the markets across North America and in Europe, in some cases, up today by more than 2%. Now, we had day 2 of the Paris Air Show, and after Airbus got all of the orders on the first day, well, today it was Boeing's turn. And an order coming in from the parent of British Airways, IAG, announcing they're buying a whole bunch of 737s, Boeing planes including the 737 MAX, in a $24 billion order. This is the first new order for the Boeing 737 since that plane was grounded, the 737 MAX, earlier this year after 2 fatal crashes. The talk has been that the 737 MAX recertification process could begin as early as this week. Boeing also signed a deal with Korean Airlines, which is buying 10 787 Dreamliners in a $6.5 billion order. Facebook is getting into cryptocurrencies. The social media giant today announced the plan to set up a crypto called Libra. This is a major partnership, and some think it's cryptocurrency 2.0. After all the volatility of the likes of Bitcoin and others, they want to have a stable exchange backed by the likes of PayPal and many of the big credit card companies and ride-hailing companies, Uber and Lyft, in an effort to monetize Facebook's almost 2 billion users globally. And a lot of countries where a lot of users are so-called unbanked, where they're looking at ways to transfer currencies and buy and sell on social media platforms. And Amazon Canada today announced a new effort for, well, basically building more customer loyalty. Amazon launching a credit card, a cashback credit card in partnership with TD and MasterCard, and this will be giving 2.5% cash back on purchases on Amazon.ca and Whole Foods, and 1% on other purchases through the Amazon.ca MasterCard. From the 680 News Business Center, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.